Are you able to share your
Hello?
screen here? Yes, hello.
Yeah. Okay. All right, I'm sharing.
Okay, now what is the error that we are getting?
This cannot find symbol for this the method.
Can I know why, although we use it up here?
I don't know. It should be fine.
Did we change anything here that caused it to random num? Can we confirm that is exactly the same?
If I without it, it still works. Yeah.
Okay, now I just want to confirm only because the error is on line 46. So it means that
Yeah. Oh. Okay. There you go.
what was the issue just now? I didn't.
The type, because
Okay.
this is I put M here instead of N.
Yes. Okay.
And
Yeah. Okay. Good.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now it works here.
Okay. Yes, but
Yeah.
I want you to come here and print whatever you get
Yeah.
from Rand.
Okay. Oh.
You know why this happens?
Um. No. Is it because it's printing this and this?
Something strange, right?
Yeah.
So are we on the same line? If we call this one time, it will generate a number. We call it another time here, it will generate a different number. Am I right?
Yeah. So now I'm calling it, yeah, again technically. So now it's generating 4 numbers, like 3 here and 1 here.
Excellent understanding. Okay. Are we able to say that, are we able to say if we change that line, we put it before the print, and then instead of
Right.
calling rand number here, we just
We
print
just print right.
print rand. So it means that we are just printing whatever we generated. We didn't really generate a new one.
Yep.
Okay, so 395. Okay, but we still need to so I want you to go and print here. We still need to know what is the last number stored in rand, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay, Can you put here two print statements, one with a print line
Okay.
and one without print line?
At the bottom here.
Yes. The one with the print line, put nothing inside.
Okay.
Yes. And this one, put rand.
This one you want me to put like
Empty.
this?
Yes. Okay. Fine.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Now, can you notice anything here? Any similarities?
Oh.
Run again, please. Can you run again? So
Right.
it means that rand can only carry the last number that we have, that we generated. But it doesn't carry all the numbers. So it means that we lose the first two digits. We cannot keep
Yeah.
them. So we need
Yeah.
a way to actually, a smart way of actually concatenating or keeping or storing all the numbers. How can we do that? Any idea?
No. So,
My lesson to you here at the moment is that I only can, or you can start understanding what is happening inside your code using print statements. Only print
Yeah.
can tell you what's really happening inside. Now, I would say if we go here and say rand equal rand plus rand num. If you do this addition here,
Can I just do this?
yes, I wanted to yeah, of course, if we do it one step, yes, that's perfect.
Yeah.
But I was worried that you get confused, so that's why I said I might need a step.
Okay.
Okay, you can run.
Okay.
Why we are getting to, actually we are getting it correct, but
Yeah.
but for some reason or another we're getting a strange number here. Can you run again? What is the reason for that, in your opinion? There must be something behind that. Although we are getting rand correctly at the end,
Yeah.
which is the last
Yeah.
three numbers. But why? Any idea?
No. Hmm. I mean, technically, if I don't print this out, then it will just show 005, right?
Yes, you are very smart. I salute your abilities, really. Okay,
Yeah.
so yes, it's true, because every time, the first time you print rand, it only contained one number,
Yeah.
one digit. The second time you print it, it contained two digits. The third time you
Yeah.
print it, it contains three digits. That's why you see this kind of behavior.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So now we managed
Yeah.
to get three digits and we have it stored in a string. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you need to ask the user. Now we go back to the remaining of the exercise. What the exercise say, please?
Yeah, so I need to ask the user to enter your three numbers.
Not,
And then yeah, it says please enter your three numbers.
but you have to say, wait, prompt the user to enter a three-digit number.
Yeah.
The user have to guess three-digit numbers. Have to
Yeah.
guess. Okay. So again, So you generate a random number. The user does not know anything about this random number. You prompt the user, you ask him to enter these 3-digit numbers, and then you start comparing between what was randomly generated and what the user entered to see if it is correct, the user managed to guess correctly or not. And the guess is based on this condition. If the first two or the last two or all the 3 digits is actually equal between the randomly generated and what the user input, then it's actually correct. So the key is here.
Yeah.
The first thing I would say, just prompt the user to enter step by step. We no need to worry about how we reach the end of the exercise.
Yeah.
Step by step. What is the next step? Ask the user to enter 3 digits.
So I should take this. Take this pen. This console. Okay. But should I make it in a new method?
It
Call
is
the method, or should I
it
just
is
edit?
you can edit here. It's your choice.
Wait, I want it to be string, right? Not integer.
Can I have a reason for that? Why you would like him to enter a string instead of integer?
Because my rand is a string, right? So
Excellent, excellent.
I want to
Yes,
compare.
yes, you are correct. You are correct.
Okay, wait. So the print is if you print the 3-digit, yeah, and then ask him to enter. Okay. So I want this to be above. This. To enter. Then. Okay.
Okay, excellent. So you already managed to get two set of numbers. One the user entered, and one randomly generated. You need to start to compare based on the condition he gives to you. So this means that we need to use if statements.
Yeah, but the problem with this is I can like let's say I make an if statement here, and I can do what is the command like the rand dot equals. Is it just rand dot equals?
Yes. No. Yes. Yes. You're correct.
Like this, right?
Yes.
I can't remember if this is exactly it, but okay, but then if it's like this, then I can get it for if all three is equal, and I can get it if none is equal. But how do I get it if only two integers are equal, or if only one integer is the same?
Okay, may I ask you, have we learned something about taking part of a string? Are we able to cut some part of string?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are able to cut the first two letters because he want to compare the first two letters and the last two letters.
Yeah, okay.
So this is a step you need to do it before the if.
Oh.
Yes, to make it simpler.
Okay.
Do you remember the method that you can use to be able to cut some part of a string?
Yeah. it was like ran dot substring,
Correct.
something like
Correct.
that, right?
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yes, trust yourself. You are an excellent boy and
Substring.
your mind is excellent. Trust it. Yes.
If I need the first two, it'll be like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe I'll make a variable.
Yes. You are moving on the
I
correct
want,
way. Yes.
because I want this, and then I want the last two also, which will be 1, 2. So let me see if this works first. Like, let's say I make this yes. Um, excellent. Let's see what happens. Oh no, I need to print.
Yes. Perfect. This is the only way to see if you are moving correct or wrong.
Yeah. Mm. 0236. Okay. Now I need to do the same thing for this. So if that's correct, I mean that now I need um and then actually I just can just yeah. Like that. And then can make this a wait, how come this is oh I'm losing connection? So you can still hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I'm not sure why this is happening. It's quite
Yeah.
strange. Can you start to refresh? But make Control A first. I want you to put your code here and Control A and Control C, just to
Okay.
avoid that if you refresh Control A,
And
Control
it
C,
goes
and then
away.
yeah,
Yeah.
refresh again the screen. So the thing is that this website is used by almost all the teachers and all the schools that I ever know. And
Yeah.
most probably because we are using a free version of it, so the resources might run out of control. So it's fine. What's happening is totally fine.
Right. Okay. Okay, so I have this. I need this to be A. Okay, I didn't save exactly. Okay. So now let's print. Oh.
Correct.
So yeah, I just want to make sure they okay, so the front pair match, end pair match. Sorry, no matches. Okay. So now bring this out. Mm. 5, B. And then down here. Oh, and then I need
Excellent. Yeah, that's good.
then here is one. Here is the back, the empty. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, should work. Okay, wait, let me test to see if it works. Put it here. Just to test if it matches. And not it. Okay,
Excellent. Excellent.
wait, one, two, and is okay.
You have excellent ability. I like the way that you think. Yes, excellent. Really. So, if you, I tell you the truth, if you move the same way that you are moving now, it's just a
Yeah.
matter of time until you really become a master of the language. Excellent guy.
Mm.
Excellent, really.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. So let me start sharing then.
Okay.
What we should do then. Wait. Since we spend some good amount of time writing code, so little bit only for some theoretical part, and then we will
Yeah.
go again to practice. Okay.
Okay.
So we learned something about loops. So a
Yeah.
while loop is not the only loop that you can use. It is one of the loops that you can use and is popular. But there is another one that is so pretty and so short and so compact that we can use. So if you want to use an indefinite loop, it means that you don't know how many times it's going to run. So I would say use a while loop. So what is the possible uses of a while loop? When you prompt a user until they type a non-negative numbers, okay? Or when you print random numbers until a prime number is printed, also is possible to use a while loop. Repeat until the user type Q, then you can quit. So while loop, typically you don't know, most probably if you don't know upfront how many times it want to run, so you use a while loop. So but if we know upfront we only want to use 10 times, 20 times, or loop 50 times only upfront, we don't want to change that, then we use a different type of loops. So again, if we want to print here hello 10 times, or print all the prime numbers in an integer n, or print all numbers between 5 to 1 to 7, so all this is fixed. It will not change and there is no possibility that to change at runtime. So, okay, we use some kind of loop is called for loop. So the for loop, don't let me go through theoretical. I know that, have a look at the code. I know you like that. So, okay, see this.
Okay.
We have this kind of loop. We have the name for here, and then we have three parts. 1, 2, 3. Why I say like that? Because they are separated by semicolon here.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first part, I initialize some variable. The second part is a condition. The third part is like an incrementing. So in the while loop, what did you do? You initialize count equals 0, and then you say while, and you put a condition which is count bigger than 0, for example, or yeah, less than 3, just to make it. So this is a condition. This is initialization. But here in the for, this is the initialization. This is the condition. And this I++ is when you put count plus plus inside. But here in the for loop, you do all one shot in one line. And this is the beauty of it. So instead of writing these 3 lines like that, you put it in one line in this way. So are you able to run this line in your code now?
Okay. Excuse me.
It's okay.
Let me comment this. I can't run.
Did you manage?
Wait, I don't know what oh, there you go. Okay, let me run it. Yeah, I get high.
Excellent. Okay. So
Yeah.
okay. Like I told you, so you managed to get it how many times?
1, 2, 3, 5.
Okay. Can you change something to make it only 3?
Yeah.
What can you change?
From the less than equal to 5, I just make it less than equal to 3. Right?
Okay. Can you try? Yes, please. Try and run.
No. Wait. It doesn't.
It doesn't work?
Wait. Let me this thing hang again. The Wi-Fi, the reconnecting
Okay.
thing. Okay, let me run now. It's running still.
We need to close and open again, okay?
Okay.